Hey guys, welcome back to another technical video. This video is going to be super fun because I'm going to talk about a very unique feature of Groove funnels that you really need to know about. So did you know that you can add audio files inside of your website so that people can have a background music while they're going through your website? Well, now it's completely possible. That's what I'm going to show you in this video, where you will be able to add an audio file inside of your Groovepages. So it's going to be very simple. I will also share a CSS code with you. Now before diving inside of that, plus first understand what is the purpose of having an audio inside of your website. I won't recommend you to add an audio file or any background music to your sales funnel because that will just cause a distraction. But in case you have a website and inside of the website you have a very long form text that you want people to read through, then you can have a background music that people can just play and they can read through your entire website. So that's what I'm gonna show you over here. I had just made a small example of a website. I just brought in the elements, I just dropped them over here. So over here we will be having an audio file that people can click and play. So what we are going to do is we will be bringing the code embed feature and just drop it to the area where we want to have the audio file. Okay, before getting inside of this, what we are going to do is we will have to head on to Groove members. So we will be heading on to Groove members and we will head on to file section and we will be uploading a file over here. We will add an audio file over here. So let's say we'll select a file, we'll head on to this and I will simply select a file. Let's say this one. This is a background music and we can give it a heading, let's say background music. Then we can click on upload file, and as soon as it is uploaded we will be copying the URL of this particular audio file. So we'll just copy the URL, we will head on to the code. This is the code. I will drop it inside of the description so you can check it out later on. So we will just copy this, paste it over here, and the URL that we got from here, so let's say this is, we will click on copy URL, we will get back over here, we will select the entire URL section, we will just delete it and paste the URL over here. Then we will copy the entire CSS code, we will head back to Groovepages and inside the embed code we will select on this particular button and then we will paste our code, click save, then we will hit the publish button over here, we'll click the publish, and then when we copy it, let's go to the private window, paste it over here. Here we go. People can now play this audio file while going through your website. So this was how easy it is. Now let me tell you how you can get copyright free music as well, so that you do not have to search for that again and again. So there's a very good channel on YouTube where you can get copyright free music. So it's called Audio Library. Over here you can have no copyright music, that you can simply download the audio version as well. So let's say you will select this, you want to add this music, you will head on to convert YouTube video into MP3. You can simply go to this website, paste the URL and click on convert, and it will download it will extract the MP3 part from the YouTube video. So here you have the audio version that you can add inside of your website. Hope you like this video. If you did, then please make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to not miss out any videos on sales funnels and also technical parts of Groove funnels. Having said that, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay home and keep creating for a change.